Hi everyone, good day and welcome to Sound-Nectics Academy. Today I'll be teaching you the nasal sounds, and yes, you heard me correctly, nasal, not nasal. So we have three nasal sounds in English. We have we have and Basically, nasal sounds are sounds produced from our nose. So let's do this. Try pronouncing monkey with your nose closed. No. As in monkey, mango. As in no and nose. Then as in ring and sing. I hope you learned something new today. Do have a nice day, and please do not say the word ring again. Watch out for the next lesson. Have a nice day.